Okay, next example. We're going to do some triangles here. But I'm going to say that this angle is the same as this angle, and that this is the same as this one over here. So this side, we have two triangles. We have the bottom triangle and the top triangle. So this side over here is between the blues, the star, and the nothing, and that's going to correspond to this. And that was pretty straightforward. But now this one, this side of the bottom triangle is between orange and blank, and that's going to correspond to this. I'm going to put that above the line. Now why am I going to do that? Because we have a third side, and the third side is this over here. Right, so on the bottom triangle we have the orange, the purple, and the green, and the orange of the bottom triangle is between the star and that's actually going to correspond to this one over here. And now why this triangle matters is this middle line actually represents two different sides depending on which triangle it is. It's the orange side of the bottom triangle, but also the purple side of the top triangle. So that middle corresponds to this, but it also corresponds to this depending on how you're viewing it. Oh, I'm having trouble flipping up paper. Last one. This is example 8, I think it is. And that's it. I'm not giving I'm not giving any angles at all that are the same. But there are similar triangles. So first, let's find the two triangles. So this is one triangle, and this is the other triangle. And what we could see is that this angle is common to both triangles. It's common to the small one, and it's also common to the big one. But now we need to do something else. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to do something with parallel lines. So if we have, that's what these arrows mean, of course, parallel lines. And if you have parallel lines, what we know is that this angle and this angle are the same. And we often call that the corresponding angle. So what's also true is alternate angles are also equal. But it's an F pattern, and if we could see, we have kind of an upside down F over here. If we looked at this F over there, we would also know that this and this are the same. Similarly, we have these two triangles, so this angle and this angle are the same. And we could go through the same kind of reasoning and show through the F over here that this one and this one are also the same. We didn't need to do that because once we had two, we were done. But there you go. Dot and single arc, dot and single arc, dot and double arc, dot and double arc. That corresponds to that. Single arc to double arc, single arc to double arc. And that's the corresponding angles of that shape.